Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Ardhi University. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, type down Ardhi University and enter it after you're done. And from here, from the search results, we could see we have to click on this option that says log into your existing account. And it will get into an interface like this. Here we could see in order to log in, you are required with your username or email address as well as your password. Simply type down your username or your email address as per you prefer and your password as well. And after that, click on this login option right over here, and then you'll be successfully able to log into your Ardhi University. But if you are a first time user, you have to click here to register if you have not enrolled or make an account. And if you have forgotten your password, click here in order to recover or reset your password. So this is it guys. This is how you can log into the Ardhi University. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.